Crispy onions with a flavorful sauce, so easy to make, and unbelievably delicious. First, lightly grease your air fryer basket with oil. Now take 2 onions and slice them just like I show in the video. Transfer the onions into a bowl and gently separate them with your hands. Next, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and mix everything very well. Now add 2 teaspoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Mix everything together very well. Now add this mixture to the onions. And gently mix everything with your hands until the onions are fully coated. Transfer the onions into the air fryer basket. And spread them out evenly with your hands. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. While the onions are cooking, let's make the sauce. Take some fresh dill and chop it finely. Now add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic into the sour cream. Add the dill and mix everything well. And just like that, your sauce is ready. Now the onions are done. Carefully transfer them onto a plate. Just look at these onions, golden, crispy, and absolutely mouth-watering. Paired with this creamy sauce, they taste even better. Enjoy your meal and enjoy every crunchy bite. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.